Welcome to part 1 of our baby proofing series. In this video, we will cover some tips to use in your kitchen and bathrooms to make it safe for your little one. Starting in the kitchen, you will want to reorganize how you have your kitchen set up. Move cleaning supplies, detergents, and plastic bags to higher cabinets that your toddler cannot reach. In these lower cabinets, you can store pots, pans, plastic containers, and dish towels. Installing drawer and cabinet latches will help keep your baby out of harm's way. You can also purchase and install stove knob covers. These will stop your child from being able to turn on the stove, preventing burns, fire, and gas leaks. Making use of non-skid pads for your rugs will help prevent skids and slips. As in any room around the house, make sure to obstruct any reachable outlets. The bathroom features many of the same tips as the kitchen. We suggest moving any harmful products to a higher cabinet or drawer. You will want to install cabinet and drawer safety latches here as well. Other items people often forget to move higher are shampoo and body wash bottles. These can be very harmful to a curious toddler. Toilet locks are another great safety tip for your bathroom. These prevent your child from opening the toilet and potentially falling in. Check out part 2 of our baby proofing series to learn how to baby proof your living room, bedrooms, and other areas around the house. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.